Natural gas once again stayed bullish. It has achieved near-term highs slightly above 3.65 before closing the week at 3.55 levels. Yes, we are staying bullish in net gas since last multiple weeks. We are staying bullish at around these levels, and beautifully it has given good profit so far. Now, what to expect from the coming week and from the month of November from natural gas? Is it going to break past on the upside towards 4.4 dollar levels, or we can see it is staying range bound and we can see a bearish move in the coming week? We will see with the help of charts followed with indicators, and towards the end I will give you the trading strategy and levels. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe to the channel, which helps you get the daily updates on natural gas, which I share first with the Asia and Europe session, and on major global commodities and markets I share twice a day updates as well. Let's start first look at the 4 hour. See, on the 4 hour charts, it is forming a double top and it is willing to retrace. How far it can retrace? One can expect it to get support at around 3.45 levels here. Probability exists. Only bearishness in net gas is if it stays below 3.4, where one can say slight bearishness to be seen. In fact, 3.35 and 3.3 are the major support levels. Now, forming the double top, we are looking at retracement, and hence on the 4 hour chart, slight bearishness can be expected on the first trading session in the coming week. And yes, 3.55, 3.53 zone is a greater support here for net gas, below which further bearishness. But if you look at largely the formation on gas here, you see after staying bullish here, giving the breakout, it is still giving you higher lows, higher highs. So as long as 3.2 levels are not breached, I will not be treating gas as bearish for this coming week and specifically for the month of November. Coming to the now, if you look at daily charts, see the rise, retracement, higher highs, and it is retracing. And if you look at the accelerated bullishness is what you can look forward to here. Now, important is right now it is retraced from close to double top levels. Very important support at 3.4 which exists. It is only below 3.4 is where slight bearishness will be seen, and then you can expect that we may see 3.35 and then 3.2 zone here. Be careful at around 3.4, 3.35 levels. A possibility of a bounce back will be very high, and then we may see net gas achieving higher highs. If you look on the long term charts, you will find gas is staying in this bullish channel. The support levels from the long term channel are coming very close to 3.2, 3.3 zone. Coming to the now, look at the weekly charts. Yes, it has achieved higher highs, but the important part is the body size. The body is greener, however, it is almost less than half of the complete move. This suggests that there is lot much of pressure on the upside, and that is why you can see preceding candle also has a got a push. This candle also has a got a push. Yes, but after forming the double bottom, this also suggests that there is a very strong support which is coming on the downside. Prices are not willing to stay bearish. Thus, it is very important for gas now to stay above 3.65 levels and 3.7 levels, beyond which certainly we are looking forward to $4 levels in the coming few weeks. Possibility is very high. After the rise, retracement, second highs, it could try to retrace a little and achieve here before reversing. This is one probability you should look at. So a slight retracement cannot be denied, but overall still, as long as 3.2 first is respected and then $3 are respected. See, 3 is the baseline now. It should not breach 3 in any case. 3 is the base. Now remember, $3 levels from current levels at 3. Close to 15% retracement. Thus you have to be watchful. I do not see it breaking at as long as these levels here. So yes, a slight retracement, but overall bullishness can be expected in the month of November. For next week also, we have to be cautious and watchful. Now look at the month. Now, why do I say that this could be the bullish month? See, this was the breakout. This is the first bullish candle. And yes, a slight retracement followed with a rise later this month can be expected. And once it stays above 3.7, do not think of selling natural gas in the month of November. Beyond 3.7, every drop will be an opportunity to buy. Like how I mentioned here at $3 levels, that every drop is an opportunity to buy. Again, I am maintaining the stance here that once the prices stays beyond 3.7, I will look forward to $4 levels, and in fact, it can try to achieve 4.4 as well. Yes, it can. There is all the probability for it to stay bullish. Let me show you with the help of charts. But right now, what is happening? It is getting a good resistance, forming the lower highs. It is trying to retrace or consolidate. So a possible range bound month, if it stays bearish and fails to stay above 3.7, a possible range bound month can be expected though my expectation is to give a second consecutive bullish candle here. Now let's have a look with the help of indicators if the indicators are also suggestive of the same story. Now first let's have a look at the monthly charts. On the monthly chart, see 20 and 50 period moving averages crossed over here and are sitting at around 3.8, 3.85 levels. 100 period moving average at around 3.7275. And this zone becomes critical for net gas, breaking beyond which you can say that the prices have reversed and we may see it stretching further towards 4.4, 4. And $5 levels. But right now, see at this point itself, I had mentioned it has formed a bottom. A reversal towards the moving average can be expected. Now it is very, very close to the moving average. See, stochastic on the monthly charts have come to overbought levels. This is making me a little cautious because on natural gas, whenever it achieves such overbought levels, it tries to show a pullback. But important part is the MACD. See, MACD has stayed bearish. It is now seen long bearish movement trying to cross over. Thus, it requires couple of stronger bullish candles for it to converge, crossover, and stay. And it is almost at bottom. The worry point is the stochastic, which is staying overbought. Thus, it can try to even stay in consolidation for a couple of months before looking forward to a crossover and bounce back. RSI rising, coming to the week. If you look at the weekly charts here, prices were divergent here. It is stayed above 20 period. It is staying above 50 period moving average as well. Now the moving average has started to converge. Why there was a push from the upside in both the preceding candles, a few candles? Yes, it was staying outside Bollinger Bands, and that is why we can see a push. But consistently giving bullishness, achieving higher highs, the Bollinger Bands have now expanded and are continue to expand. Thus, bullishness can be expected here. If you look at a stochastic, this was overbought. It has cooled down a bit. The MACD is, see the sharp drop and the retracement. The slope here is gradual and it has to break past the zone in order to confirm a further rise. But right now, it is staying bullish with a modest rise here. And if it crosses over from here any point of time, you can say that a crash cannot be denied here as well. We have to look both the aspects of a coin. Do not just think of that if you are looking forward to a head in the coin, when you toss a coin, it is going to come as head. Remember, both the probabilities to be considered. RSI rising as well, though the chances for it to stay bullish exist strong. Coming to the daily. Now look at the daily charts. Moving average sitting at 3.4, very, very strong. Moving averages are divergent and bullish looking upwards, which makes this zone, complete zone between 3.2, 3.4 as a stronger resistance zone. Prices achieving higher highs here. It can retest towards 3.4 and bounce back. Very strong probability exists. The stochastic is comfortable. The MACD again trying to, it has crossed over but trading with a very modest divergence here. And it has lot much of scope for it to stay bullish on the upside. RSI is comfortable. Let's also look at the 4-hour. On the 4-hour chart, see double top here, converging towards the 20 period. It can converge towards the 50 period moving average, sitting at around 3.45 levels. Very, very strong support exists here. Then 3.4, the next strongest milestone. Also the 100 period average. Stochastic dropping, MACD crossing over for sell. RSI has also dropped as well. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to define the trading levels and strategy for the month of November and for also for the next week. The levels I provide are going to remain applicable for next week as well as for the complete month. Now, before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my mentorship batch. 27th batch is starting on 20th of November. Equip yourself with the tools, techniques, and strategies which can help you identify profitable trades and trade profitably. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, the complete details regarding the mentorship batch is available on my platform forexfunda.com. Let me give you a glimpse of the platform. See, here at the home page itself, you will find the details related to the mentorship batch. If you click on this, you will find the timings, the schedule, the curriculum, and the fees as well. You can click here itself and pay, proceed with the pay. Also, there is an interesting offering. We are starting the weekly webinar series where every Sunday, before the market opens on the Monday, we are going to discuss the probable move which can be expected on Monday and also for the coming week for major global markets and commodities. I'll be taking your questions live here as well. Thus, register for the webinar by clicking on the link and visiting the platform forexfunda.com. See, this platform is created with the vision to provide everything required by a trader under one single roof, whether be it the market tickers, be it the breaking news from across the globe, be it the economic calendar or the charts. If you're looking for the live charts for any of your favorite instrument, you can just search here. You can click on the required instrument, search here and do your charting and do the analysis. You can also book a call with the expert and all. Also, you can put your queries in the discussion forum where you can discuss with the like-minded traders and proceed ahead and indulge in an enriching discussion. So just visit the platform forexhunter.com, register yourself and choose on the services and enjoy the platform. First thing is where to buy. See, it is closed at 3.55 levels and this is a good resistance level as well. I will recommend you to buy here at 3.55 or rather 3.56. Expect 3.58, 3.61 and then 3.65 at the major resistance zone. Yes, it has got its greater resistance at around these levels. If you are buying, you have to be careful. These are going to be reversed from, or prices might reverse from any point of time at these levels. We have to be careful here. Beyond this, I will look forward to 3.7 and then 3.8 levels. Now 3.8 is the next milestone which I will be looking forward to and is a greater resistance, and if it stays above this I will be looking forward $4 levels, and this is applicable for the month of November. Yes, it can in fact rally beyond $4 levels as well, where my near term target is $4.4 levels. 4.3, 4.4 is a stronger resistance zone and it can possibly achieve those levels in this month itself. As soon as it breaks past this zone here, staying above 3.7, 3.8, just close your eyes, stay long. Whatever the drop is there after that, it is going to be also, or it is going to further reverse and it is going to rally again. So every drop will be an opportunity to buy if the price stays above 3.7, 3.8 zone on the downside. But these, till these are respected, the chances of a reversal will also be very very high. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell here at 3.53. Expect 3.5 first support levels, 3.45 or rather 3.46 as the next support levels. Below this 3.4. Now 3.4 is the important support level here on the downside. Be careful of 3.4 and then 3.35 levels. These two levels, if are broken, you can say that the prices are turning bearish. I will be looking forward to 3.3, 3.2. Now 3.2 is the strongest, further strongest below 3.4, 3.35 zone. 3.2, 3.18 zone is the major support levels below which only you can say that net gas is turning bearish, it is going to reverse, it is going to crash, else the chances of a reversal will be very very high as long as 3.4, 3.35 levels are respected. I see this as a around bottom levels for the month of November, and we may see a probable reversal from around these levels where one can expect 3.8, $4 levels as well. Thus take your trades accordingly, trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Watch the daily updates for major for decision making on your intraday trades. Join my signals channel, join my free telegram channel, join my platform and my webinar series and mentorship batch. All the links are there in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead, trading week ahead. Stay tuned with the live updates. Thank you.